Come on, where's the dance? Dance, dance, dance. Who danced with the bottle? Okay, let's see.
This is the final part, Alexis.
This is the end.
Because we did you see this part yesterday. And you know it's gonna be basketball after this.
Alex, it's almost over. Dance.
Dance, Alex. I might be a bus boy. What's that, Alexis? Let me see.
But you got served.
Oh, but you just got served.
Yeah.
Alex.
I might be a bus
Alex.
boy. You just got served.
Mama, there's only one earring.
Alexis, let me see.
I know, sweet. I know. If I find somewhere in the closet, I'll give it to you. I didn't see it. Alex, what are you doing?
Alexis, can I see them?